Hi everyone, again we're going to work on another axonometric question today. It's an ordinary level past leaving cert question from 2017. Okay, very simple. We'll just work on one or two of these and then we'll start with amping it up, make it a bit harder with the higher level junior cert questions. Okay, so the first thing to do anyway guys is look at my starting point is A. It's in 120 from the left, it's down 180. Okay, as per usual guys, ABC, it's an equilateral triangle. The distance from A to B is 100. That's in the question. I'll put up that picture. Okay. Now, to come back here, guys, for the elevation, from C to C, it's back 100. Okay. We do our usual. Draw our semicircle. Take the top point of the semicircle back to C and back to B. Okay. Down here, guys, for the plan, it's down 60. Okay, because we've less room at the bottom of the page. But that should give us plenty space. Okay, and again we do the same, join the top of the semicircle back to A and B to get our angles. Now we can easily draw in the elevation, the plan from the question. Okay guys, as I said, the elevation and your plan, they're very straightforward to draw. Okay, so it's meant to be a camera guys. Okay, so it's very simple to get the rectangular main body section of the camera. Okay, so what we'll do first of all from our plan, okay, we'll call this corner 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to bring them straight up guys. Obviously light lines first. Okay. Same here. Okay. So I've just seen one or two questions being handed in to me guys. The angle coming back here is wrong by some people. Okay. It's just 30 degrees, a simple 30 degrees. Okay, so we'll bring this back guys. That's going to line up now with 3 and 4 coming up. So I'm going to heavy that in right there. Okay, do the same to the top. So now I'm after getting corner 3 at the top and the bottom. Same with 4. Now I'm going to do the same for 1 and 2, but obviously because it's a 3D, I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so it's very simple to get that guys. You've corner 3, you've corner 4. This is 1 top and bottom, and we can only see the top of 2 because the bottom of 2 is hidden at the back. Okay, so obviously the more difficult part of this question is getting the circular part brought down. Okay, but it's not that hard. So the first thing we're going to do guys, as we've done before many times, we're going to divide this circle here into 30 and 60 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to just bring this in a bit closer. So the first thing I'm going to do here guys is using my 45 degree set square. Okay, I'm going to set that up to the bottom, exactly in line with the bottom of the rectangle. Okay, bring in my 30-60 degree set square then guys. We do our usual dividing up. Okay, okay, I have to drag it a bit farther down now so it'll fit my set square. That's fine as well. Okay, so starting at the top now, okay, I'm going to start with 0 and work my way clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This question is actually very simple to do once we get the labelling correct down here now. So this little rectangle coming out is looking straight down at the top of this circle, okay? So first of all, guys, what I'm going to do here, that was a radius 24 circle, therefore here this distance was 48mm long. I'm just going to put back in my center line lightly, okay? So obviously that's 24. And I'm going to bring it out. Okay, so that's a light line there. And if you look over here, guys, the straight center of this circle is going to give me 2 points, 0 and 6. So I'll just mark 0, 6 there, and I can mark it on the inside here as well, 0, 6. Okay, the right hand side, okay, is obviously the side is closer here to the side. That's going to be 3 and 3. The far side is 9 and 9. Okay, now the small bit that's tricky is the distance now to get the other points. So the first thing I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm first of all going to really lightly now, just bring it a bit closer for you. Sorry, just messing around. I'm going to join 7 and 11 lightly. I'll do the same for 8 and 10 very lightly. Okay, so now I'm going to measure the distance from this line, joining 7 to 11 to the center. Okay, that's 12mm for me. Okay, because it's a circle, guys, and it's divided properly, the distance between this center line out to this line will be the same as it out to 1 to 5 here as well. So it's 12mm, guys. So back down here to the plan. I'm going to mark out 12mm to the left of the center and to the right. There's light lines. Okay, so that's 1, 5, 1, 5. This is 7, 11, 7, 11. Okay, and now if I go back up to my elevation up here, I'm now going to measure a distance from the middle out to this line. That joins up joins up 8 and 10. That distance, guys, on my own drawing here is about 20mm. I'll just check it on the other side. Yeah, it's 21, sorry. So it's 21mm. So back down here. Now I'm going to measure out 21 from the center, mark it here. Do the same on the other side. Draw my lines out lightly. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 11, sorry, 8, 10, 8 and 10. Okay, so now it's very simple, as we've done with all of them. I'm first of all going to concentrate on bringing up these points on the outside of the circle. Okay, so I'm going to bring them all up lightly and bring them back at 30 degrees. Okay, guys, by following all your numbering back, okay, coming at 30 degrees from up here and straight up from the plan, okay, you're going to get your circle, which is the outside. Okay, so we need to get a small bit on the inside now to finish off the 3D. So you can see here, guys, this point 11 is where I'm going to take my line back. Okay, so to find out where to stop it back here now, I'm going to take up 11 on the inside. Okay, there we go. So now I know that this goes as far in as that. So now I'm going to take the rest of it to get my 3D coming around. Okay, so you take your points from the inside now down here, 0, 6. Okay, so just get your 6. That's your 0. Okay, do the same for 1. That's 1. Same for 2. It's 2. Same for 3. That's 3. Okay, and we'll get 4 as well, which is here. Okay. The freehand curve, guys, all the way around. And that's how that question will finish up, guys. Again, it's quite simple, especially the start of it. And I would like people to shade it in as well, guys. Okay, to finish it off. But that's how it finishes off, okay?